approaches. A storm has come to my corner of Southern California. And from within our deliciously heated apartment, I gaze out our double-paned window and see the palm trees' fawns dancing in the wind. My inner child is pouting, mourning the prospect of not being able to sit outside for 4 hours of daily meditation. For little Lord Fauntleroy over here is made of sugar and would most assuredly melt if he sits his tushy down in a 1/4 inch of rainwater. I imagine I am Obi-Wan Kenobi visiting the water world of Kamino, even though the storm should pass in 8 days. My tantric partner endured decades in the Pacific Northwest, where sunny days are the exception, not the norm. Oh, how I shall miss visiting with my neighbor dogs while they're out walking their pet humans, and how I will pine for the fresh air against my face and within my lungs. I shall have to content myself with meditating upon the floor of the front room, the door open, the screen closed, and the space heater cooking my lower back. I interrupt my one-man pity party and remind myself of the cave-dwelling Tibetan yogis snowed in for months at a time, clearly an inspiration for Ice Planet Hoth, and blush at my silly petulance.